Is it possible to make a smartphone too thin? That's a question on a lot of minds right now, especially with the rumors swirling about the upcoming iPhone 17 Air. Apple is aiming to take things to the next level with an incredibly slim design, and if the leaks are accurate, we could be looking at something truly groundbreaking, though not without some concerns. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be just 5.5 millimeters thick. To put that into perspective, that's thinner than some wallets and a lot thinner than the usual iPhones we've seen so far. For comparison, the iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to measure around 8.7 millimeters, which is already a pretty slim profile. So when you see how much thinner the iPhone 17 Air might be, it's clear that Apple is going all in on a new direction. Louis Hilsenberger, the creator behind Unbox Therapy, recently got his hands on some of the early dummy models of this ultra-thin device. He was visibly shocked by how slim it looked, and while it might look futuristic, there's one big question on everyone's mind. Could it bend too easily? If you've been following Apple for a while, you'll remember the iPhone 6 Plus from 2014, which became infamous for bending too easily. The whole fiasco even earned the nickname Bendgate, and interestingly enough, Lewis was the one who first posted the video showing how easy it was to bend the iPhone 6, sparking a massive conversation. So if he's expressing concern about this new, even thinner iPhone, maybe we should be worried too. Apple, however, seems to have learned from past mistakes. The leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Air will feature a titanium and aluminum frame, making the phone strong enough to handle everyday wear and tear. The goal is to balance a super slim profile with the durability we need, so the iPhone doesn't end up bending when you sit down or put it in your pocket. It's not just about the thickness of the device. Initially, Apple had planned to include a large 6.9-inch display, similar to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. However, they've reportedly scaled it back to 6.6 inches. Why? A bigger screen increases the chances of bending, so Apple is likely playing it safe by opting for a smaller display. While it may not have the massive screen in the Pro models, this change could help maintain the phone's durability without sacrificing the design Apple is aiming for. Another important factor to consider is the battery. A thinner iPhone sounds appealing, but it also raises a valid concern: will there be enough space inside for a decent battery? After all, a smaller battery could lead to less impressive battery life, but it seems Apple has thought ahead. According to the leaks, the iPhone 17 Air won't have as many camera lenses as the Pro models, freeing up space for a larger battery. While the camera performance might not match the Pro versions, it should still be good enough for most users. In addition, Apple is reportedly using a new in-house mode chip called the C1, which is designed to be more energy efficient. Combined with optimized software, this chip could help the iPhone 17 Air maintain a battery life comparable to current iPhones, even with a smaller battery. So while the design might be thinner, it looks like Apple has found a way to keep the battery life in check without compromising on performance. So, what do you think? Would you want an ultra-thin iPhone, or do you think Apple is pushing the limits too far this time? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this update, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting news on the latest iPhone leaks and tech updates.